How to search for courses in DataCamp. Are you guys facing issue to search courses in DataCamp? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open browser on your laptop or mobile devices. Now search for DataCamp website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top of your screen where you'll be able to see options like Data Lab for Business. Just simply tap on the search icon or search bar. After search for it, now enter your course name. If you want to search courses for Python, just simply tap on Python. After you click on it, you will be able to view all these options regarding Python, like Introduction to Python, Intermediate Python. Just select the one according to your preference. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna search courses on DataCamp website. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.